G'day. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on activating your account, just with the recent email that's gone out. You would have got an activation email that looks like this, and essentially all you need to do to activate your user for your account is click on Activate Account. You'll then be redirected here where you can create a password specific for your user, something like that, accept, and then activate. From here, you can log in to your account. Get rid of this. And then hit login. You'll then be prompted with a verification to ensure that it is you who is accessing the portal. This email will be sent to your same contact for your activation email, and it'll look like this. This is your code here. It does have an expiry limit of 5 minutes. So if it doesn't work when you chuck it in here, just hit resend, and that'll send you another login. So from here, we can see that we're in the account. First things first, this is your sort of dashboard of the services that can be purchased through this control panel. From here, if we just hit this little expanded menu button, you can click on the dashboard, and this will give you a rundown of your existing services with Microsoft or through Oz Hosting, and what you can see for historical data, active subscriptions, last orders, expiring assets, trial periods, all sorts of things. From here, what else we can see is your My Workspace. This is a reflection of the Microsoft tenant, fairly basic and high level, where you can add users, assign licensing, reset passwords, reassign licensing, and you can see the current subscriptions as well. So it's a business standard subscriptions. If you go into setup, you can then see further resources there. I'll just quickly move on to the billing section. This is quite important. As this is a new account that we have set up, there are no payment methods on file. So what we would like is if you can come in here, just go to click to add payment. If you have an outstanding or overdue invoice already, the order will be here and need to be paid. Once you hit add payment, you will then see an option to pay invoice. You just process the payment as per normal. If you don't have any outstanding invoices here and want to add your payment method, you need to add a payment of $1 and then hit new credit card, Stripe payment details. And this is where you'll enter your card details or your payment method. Unfortunately, we can't bring across any previous payment methods that were on file on the old platform. They are encrypted and held with the bank. This protects yourself as well as us, as we don't hold any card details or any sort of personal information like that on our systems. It's a security measure that we put in place quite a while ago, but it's only to protect our customers. But in this situation, we do need a new payment to be added. Once you follow the process and enter the card details, that dollar will actually just be a credit on your account that can be used towards that will be used towards the renewal that is upcoming. So don't fear that the payment just goes away and goes nowhere. It gets applied to the renewal. Other than that, if you need to create additional users for accounts, personnel, or specific staff in the business, you can then just come in here and add a new user, assign a role, and then send out an activation email. You can see here this one's a pending activation, so if they haven't logged in, you can resend that. Okay, if you have any questions, please let us know. Yeah, thanks very much.